This is a quick video regarding the parallel park and how it will look from the driver's perspective. I'm going to give it a little commentary as I do it. Okay. Right, quick checker down the road, blind spot to blind spot check, looking up and down, there are no vehicles coming. Okay, handbrake off, set my gas, low biting point, check over my blind spot again. Right, enough turn on to get a door's width away from the vehicle, central in the road, bring it round parallel to the road itself, just looking ahead at the lines at the end. Yep, that looks parallel. Then I've stopped just with my side mirror parallel with the centre of the vehicle I'm parallel parking next to and behind. Okay. At this point I popped it straight into reverse to show my white light at the back. I put my left indicator on for anyone coming down the road who now knows what I'm doing. Okay, quick check again of my two blind spot areas and ahead. No pedestrians, no vehicles, nothing behind me. Okay, as soon as I'm moving, I'm going to quickly lock onto the left. Then I'm going to count out loud. 1 minute past, 2 minutes past, 3 minutes past, 4 minutes past, 5 minutes past. Okay, I'm going to take my lock off and just stop briefly. What I've done there is counted the hours, or not the hours, sorry, the minutes on a clock. So I started off at the top of the hour and now I'm at an angle of around about 5 to 6 minutes past on a clock. Okay, I've used the lamppost, as you can see in front of me, as a reference point. Right, quick check over my right and my left blind spot. Again, I've got no pedestrians on the curb and I've got no vehicles or anything behind me. Okay, right, I'm now using my left-hand mirror, which I've already lowered, to go back closer to the curb. I've got a little triangle that I'm going to use, try and get really small between the curb, the bottom of my side mirror and my car. Okay, back slowly, slowly, slowly. Yep, still nothing over my right and left blind spot. Keep just edging back, edging back. Okay, now I've got my triangle nice and small now. I'm going to stop again. Quick check again over my right and left blind spot. Yep, still nothing there. Then as soon as I move, I'm going to do a nice quick lock onto the right with my steering. Okay. And then I'm just waiting for the curb to look parallel to the curb on my left hand side. It's just coming round now. And it's parallel now, so quickly get my lock off and stop. Now I can see the bottom of the tyres of the car in front of me. That generally indicates I'm around about a car length back, which is generally what the examiner would like you to be. They don't really want you any more back than a car length. Once I've finished handbrake and neutral, then I'm going to put my left mirror back up to how it was before I started the manoeuvre. Okay, hope this video helps. Please give it a thumbs up if it does, and like and subscribe to all my future videos. Cheers, thanks a lot, bye bye.